Today I will teach you a food production, that is action in the plants. So there are two types of the cell, that is plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell contains a jelly-like cytoplasm. They all have a nucleus. They usually have a sap-filled vacuole. The cell is surrounded by cell membrane. Around the cell membrane, there is a cellulose cell wall. The plant cell in the green parts of the plant, like leaves, also contains chloroplast. While the animal cell contains nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, but unlike the plant cells, they do not have cellulose cell wall or chloroplast. Photosynthesis, one of the important process in the plants. This is the process by which plants produces their own food material. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast found in the cells in the leaves. The carbon dioxide is reacted with the water to produce glucose and oxygen. Chlorophyll and sunlight energy is required for the reaction takes place, that is photosynthesis. What about the chloroplast? The cell found in the leaves have a lots of chloroplast for photosynthesis to take place in. Sunlight and the chlorophyll, which is required in the process, that is CO2 plus H2O, which gives us C6H12O6 plus oxygen. What about the photosynthesis? What factors can affect the rate of photosynthesis? The reaction, that is water molecule plus carbon dioxide, gives a product like glucose plus oxygen. The concentration of carbon dioxide will affect the rate of photosynthesis. That is the first factor which affects the rate of photosynthesis, that is concentration of carbon dioxide. As the sunlight is needed for photosynthesis, the light intensity will also affect the rate of photosynthesis. Also, the temperature is one of the essential factors which can affect the rate of the reaction. From the equation for the photosynthesis, we can see that the amount of water available would also affect the rate of photosynthesis. So these are the four factors, that is concentration of carbon dioxide, light intensity, temperature, and the amount of water. The factors affect the rate of photosynthesis. What is the interdependence between plant and animal cells? The plant need have to supply of carbon dioxide in their air so that they can use it for the photosynthesis. Plant will give out oxygen to produce from the photosynthesis into the air. What about the animals? Animals needs this oxygen for the respiration to make the energy. So this is the interdependence between plants and animals. Animal also produces the waste carbon dioxide from the respiration, which is put into the air, which is again used by the plants. How does carbon dioxide enter and oxygen go out of the leaves? On the other side, the leaves, there are tiny holes called as stomata or stoma. Special guard cells are responsible for opening and closing of the stoma. If we see the tears of a particular leaf, it contains a stoma or a stomata. The opening and the closing of stomata is depending upon these guard cells. While during the process of transpiration, when the stomata get open, there is loss of water from the leaves. How does the water get into the plants? Water is absorbed through the root hairs cells by the process of osmosis. In the osmosis, water moves from an area of higher water concentration to the area of lower water concentration. The process is called osmosis. A typical part of the root, that is the root hairs cells, absorbs the water molecule by the process of osmosis. A root hair cells has a large surface area and thin walls to help the water uptake. By the process of osmosis from the soil, the high water concentration region, the water molecule enters into the lower concentration region inside the root hair cell through selectively permeable membrane. Why is there is need in the plant's water? Water is required for photosynthesis. Water is needed to maintain rigidity of the cell, that is to keep the plant cell rigid and to stop them from losing their shape and going flaccid, that is floppy. Evaporation of the water to the stomata cools the water plant down on a hot day. So, transporting substance inside the plants, one of the important molecules is the xylem. The xylem tissues are made up of the dead cells joined end to end. The xylem tube contains lignin molecules which makes them strong and stiff. The xylem tube takes water up the plant along with the mineral salts dissolved in the water which are essential for the plants for the different processes. What about the phloem? Phloem tubes are made up of living cell with perforated end plates. Phloem tubes transport food made in the leaves to the all parts of the plants. Substances such as starch, fats, proteins are carried by the phloem to the growing shoot tips and the root tips and storage organs in the roots to store. Phloem can transport food in the both direction. So what else can get out the leaves through the stomata? Water is lost to the stomata during the transpiration process by the process of diffusion. So what is the mechanism of transpiration or process of transpiration? Transpiration is the constant flow of water up the plants. It is caused by evaporation of water, that is loss of water in the form of water vapor from the plant to the stomata. The process of transpiration creates a slight storage of water in the leaf which causes more water to be drawn up into the leaf from the rest of the plant. This in turn result in the more water being drawn through the roots. Why the transpiration is useful in the plants? In the transport mineral from the soil, the process of transpiration cools the plant. What factor can affect the rate of water lost through the stomata? So, these are the some factors which affects the rate of water lost through the stomata. First is temperature, second is light, third is air movement, and fourth is humidity. Why do plants need the minerals? The plant needs the minerals for the healthy growth of the different body parts. Large amount of nitrates are needed for the making of the protein. Smaller amounts of iron and magnesium are also useful to make the chlorophyll molecule, which is useful in the process of photosynthesis. So these are the different types of leaves showing varying amount of magnesium deficiency. So what are the plant hormones? There are different types of the plant hormones like auxin, cytokinin, gibberellins, ABA. These are the chemicals known as auxins. Auxins are the plant growth hormones which are necessary for the plant growth. They control the growing parts of the plant, that is the tips of the shoot and the roots. Auxins are made in the tips, they diffuse backward or little way and causes the cell elongate just behind the tips. How can you use the plant hormones commercially? We can use the plant hormones in the commercial way. We can put the rooting growth hormone onto the end of the cutting to make a new growth. This enables farmers to make clones of desirable plants very quickly